the question has come up about the usability of the Arctic Fox camper when the slide is in. Here you can see the slide is out. This is a 2006 Arctic Fox 1150. Looking in through the door, obviously it's easy to get in and out of here. Easy access to every area of the camper. One thing to note is there's a little compartment here and a compartment here under the step up to the dinette. Neither one of those will be accessible when the slide is closed. There's the bathroom. So we're going to close the slide now. There's the switch right there. So I'll back up a little bit here, try and get a better view. About just over half of the entryway is blocked by the dinette when the slide is shut. There may be some girth limitation, but I have no problem walking in here, getting into the bathroom, and step right in there. Then looking out, there's the narrow hallway to get through. Once you get into the kitchen, it's wider. No problem maneuvering around here. It's the floor is a good 30 inches plus wide, and then you have this area of floor under the fridge that's part of the slide that's elevated. So you can still get everywhere, just those two compartments are covered up. You can't get in them. So that's pretty much it for the review of using it with the slide shut. I do it on a regular basis.